Well, I think first of all that let's say 70% of the selection is already in my head. I will be also there in May. Everything depends also a little bit of the shape of players. Maybe in the next weeks they will not play anymore in the team, or injuries, or that kind of things. But for 70-75% of the team, of the selection, of the 23 or maybe 25, that is something I have to decide, is already in my head. I will not change. Not even if tomorrow we play a bad game. But there are still some positions that I want to see in the next weeks, and to before I make my choice. At the other side, again, we did a very good game on Friday, and let's hope that we can confirm that tomorrow again. But there is still some work to do because we are going to a World Cup, and this is something different. So we still have to work on some details to become better. But therefore, that will be the preparation just before the World Cup in the 10-12 days we were together. That we will try to put the details good and be more ready than we are now, because now it should be a little bit too soon, I think, if in a week or in 10 days we have to play a World Cup.